Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so super excited today because I'm doing a collaboration with my bestie Dee Dee Bean. So we've been friends for a really long time. We've done quite a few collaborations together, and today we have a Cherries collaboration because we are both absolutely crazy over anything cherries, and I'm talking Coach cherries. And I have a couple of things here to show you guys that I just got in, and I know the other day I did a reveal on this bag. You know, I had showed this to you before, and then I did a reveal on this beautiful bag. I can't put it down. I love it so much. You guys, I'm obsessed. And this is off the website now. I went to look, and I think I need to hurry up and go on there and get that makeup case before it's gone, you guys. The cherries are going fast. So if you want anything from this collection, I think there's maybe a few more bags left, but this one is gone for now. I hope they bring it back, you guys. I mean, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. And Dee Dee and I, we love our cherries. You know, I didn't get any of the cherries, Murakami or anything like that. I didn't even try. I didn't like the price. What can I say? I would have taken a Speedy's cherry, but I couldn't get one. That was the one that I wanted. But you guys, I'm not kidding. This is not to scratch the itch. This, well, what am I trying to say? You guys, I love this just as much. This is a beautiful bag, you guys, and I really do hope they bring more of these on the website because they weren't there very long. All right, so before I get started, I do want to say that watch my video and then run over as fast as you can and watch my friend Dee Dee, because I don't even know what she's unboxing. You know what? I don't even know if she knows. I tease her all the time because I've never seen anybody order something and then not unbox it for like 6 months. I said, I don't know what kind of patience you have, but patience is a virtue. Yeah, and that's a virtue she definitely has. Be sure and watch my friend Dee Dee and also subscribe to her and subscribe to me. You guys, I think I'm out of the slump. I've stopped losing subscribers. Oh, please, algorithm. Please love me again. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this one. So the other day I unboxed the Cherries wristlet, and it was in the box, and I put the box right there. Well, I ordered another piece from Macy's, and it seems that Macy's, they're sending their SLGs anyway in these beautiful little boxes. So I was thrilled, absolutely thrilled that I got another Cherries box. So let's go ahead and open it, and I'll show you what I got from Macy's. I got the Zippy wallet. Now I do have two card cases. One is just the plain card case, and the other one is a zip card case. But this is my very favorite wallet, or kind of wallet, the Zippy wallet. I absolutely love Zippy wallets, and when I saw this, I thought, I'm going to go ahead and grab that. $99. I love it, you guys, so much, and I can use it in this bag because I was going to get the wallet that went with this one, but it was already gone. I think there might be another wallet, but that wasn't the one I wanted. I thought I could use it in this, okay? So for my wallet, I don't know, I'm turning it into a matchy type. I took the wristlet off, and I've just been using this. So these are the two pieces that I got from Macy's, and they both came in boxes, and I'm so stoked to have these two pieces. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. But when I saw the Zippy wallet, and I've seen it before, I don't know, you're not gonna believe this. I do try not to buy everything I see that I want. I try. Okay? I didn't say I did it. I just said I try. I try not to buy everything that I see that I want. Anywho, I just thought, I have to have it. I really, really need it. And I got it. Because $99, I mean, you know, $99 is a great price for this. And I'm just thrilled to death that I have this cute little Zippy wallet. And I know it's called a card case. I like it as a wallet. I use small wallets anyway. Or I'll use a pouch like what I'm using now. All right, you guys, the next... It's out of the box, but I haven't unwrapped it, so I haven't seen her in all her glory. The next bag. I don't know that my heart can take it, but we're going to try. We're going to try to take it. I cannot wait to tear into this bag. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Here it is. I think you can guess. Now I'm going to tell you. Oh, here I am. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, guys, that this one or the Rowan is no longer on the Coach Outlet website. I don't know if they'll bring them back. You guys tell me. If they have a special drop like this, do they bring them back? I don't think they do. I don't know. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news. But you guys, just like I said about the other one, if you know me, you know that Speedies and Neverfulls, I'm talking Louis Vuitton Speedies and Neverfulls, are my favorite bags. So I had to have this, and I was trying to say, it's not something to scratch the itch, it's the real deal. You know, when the Murakami Cherries was coming out, I'm just as happy with this as I can be. Probably more because it didn't cost me an arm and a leg, literally. I got the tote, the city tote. Yeah, this is the city tote. Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at it. So I first got the Rowan. I kept looking at this and thought, I don't need it. And then I thought, yes, I do. I mean, I think it was like $1.99. $1.99, and this one I think was about $1.79. I don't even, you guys, I don't even have $500 in both of these bags. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I did it, because there have been quite a few times that there was something super affordable and I would think, I don't need to get that. But you guys, really, when it's that kind of affordable, go ahead and get it. It's the expensive stuff we need to forego. I mean, I'm talking out of both sides of my mouth in a way, because I do buy expensive luxury bags, but I'm trying to do it less and less, and I don't feel like, even though I've been a little cray-cray lately and buying a lot of stuff, it's been more affordable stuff. And then my husband's like, yeah, but you can count them up. You could have got one luxury. I said, well, that's true. But you know what? Right now I'm into Coach, okay? Stop trying to argue with me. I'm into Coach. Who isn't into Coach, right? Because Coach is where it's at right now. If you want to be an it girl, carry a Coach bag. All right. Wow, they put so much paper in there. Oh, man. Oh, man, I'm so glad I got this. I am so stoked that I got this. And after I film this video, I'm probably going to go back and get the makeup case. Because I looked on Coach Outlet this morning. It was still there, but it won't be there long. I mean, these two bags did not, they weren't on there long. And like I said earlier, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news. I don't know if they'll bring them back. There's some styles like this with the white background that I don't love, because I prefer this style. But I think these go really pretty together. I'm just so thrilled that I got this. I haven't really seen, why isn't anybody unboxing these? I haven't been seeing it, okay? And the City tote is one of my favorite totes that they have because it's like a Neverfull. It's just a big old open tote, like a Neverfull. We don't get a pouch with it, but that's okay because the price is so much better. And then you got this big pocket, you know, here in the back. And that's where I would take my little wallet and throw it in there, like that. I always use pouches for everything, so I don't really use like an organizer. I mean, occasionally I do on my Neverfull, but I just like to throw my things down in the bag. But you guys, I am obsessed with this. Obsessed. And this is like the size of a Neverfull MM, like the medium size, which is the perfect size. I don't know what else to say. Okay? I do not know what else to say about these two bags, except I love them. I love these bags. I'm so thrilled that I got them. Okay, so you've heard of Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs? Well, Dee Dee Bean and I are cray cray for cherries, okay? We are just cray cray for cherries. We make no apologies. I have no excuses. Not that I need any. And if they come out with more cherry stuff, I'm getting it. So, that's all I have to say about that. Okay? Not really. I have a lot more to say. These cherries, they do it for me. That's all I have to say. They do it for me, and it's not like I tried to say earlier, I didn't buy these because I didn't get anything cherries in the Louis Vuitton collection, because I really don't care. I really don't. I'm just really super stoked with these. I love these, and these are special editions, and I really do hope they come back out with, like, they bring these back on the website. I just don't know if they will. I kind of feel like they won't. Yeah. But I'm really thrilled that I got them. I know everybody's not as crazy over cherries as I do. Some people's over there, some of you are out there thinking, big deal if they do or if they don't. But it's a big deal to me. And Dee Dee. We like a lot of the same stuff. I told her on her thumbnail, I'm like, we look like sisters. We have the same features. We look alike. We look like sisters. Anyway, she is my sister. She's my friend, and I love my friend. And you guys go over there and watch her video and see what she has to unbox, because you never know over there. It's like her Christmas stuff, like chaoticmas, coachmas, duckmas. That was hilarious. I loved it. I might buy the sparkly charm. That would be pretty on this. I don't know why I sold that other one. I never used it, but I feel like maybe the sparkly charm, I probably would, because it's sparkly and I love sparkly. Anyway, you guys, that's really all I have to say. I've got to go get Drew. I've got stuff to do, and tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I cannot believe this month has flown by. Thank you, Dee Dee, for collaborating with me. You're a great friend, and I just think the world of you. And yeah, so be sure and go over there and check out Dee Dee Bean. And yeah, I'll be back in a couple of days. I've been trying to put out a few more videos. There for a while I was kind of MIA, but now I feel like I'm feeling myself again. And and I've got more stuff to share with you guys, because like I said, I am going out with a bang. 2025, going out with a bang, guys. Just going out with a bang. I'm really glad to get rid of 2025, because I know that 2026 is going to be a great year. I know it is. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, spending time with me. Now let's go over there and spend time with Dee Dee. Peace.